Three things I think all of the business owners should focus on for this year is first, identifying what type of intellectual property that you own. There's four types of intellectual property you can own. Those are copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. And I'll briefly kind of go through those really quickly. So the trademark would be your brand recognition, your logos, your business name, any taglines, anything that identifies the source of goods and identifies your business or your brand. Patents or your inventions. If you have a hair care tool, for example, that you've created, you need to protect that. Also, trade secrets, and that could be formulas for hair care products and skincare products, anything of the sort. And lastly, copyrights. And that would be any instructional video that you have, or any manuals or brochures or how-to processes that you may develop over time. And so those are the things you need to identify first. And then second is protecting your intellectual property. So I highly recommend you hire an attorney to do this, because intellectual property protection can be complex. You can do it yourself. I don't recommend that. I get a lot of clients who try to do it themselves and then they come to me for, just so that I can explain to them the process or whatever, action they receive from the trademark office or the copyright office, or if they are not understanding, how to protect a trade secret or anything of the sort. So I think that is the second thing. You need to invest in that so that you can get the proper protection. And then lastly, if you have the proper protection, you can monetize your intellectual property, which I think is so important, especially for small business owners. I really encourage everyone to own their intellectual property so that they can monetize it. And that means that maybe one day you want to sell it, or you can license it and get royalty income. So those are the things that I think are really important for 2023. And especially for small business owners or people of color, that's what we need to focus on.